you doing?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How
What's
are you?
your name?
Theo Llewellyn.
Where are you from?
London.
Can I ask you what you do for a living?
I work in a supermarket.
In a supermarket?
Yeah.
You're very good at singing.
Thank you.
And you're through to the next round of The Voice UK.
I'm a sucker for a voice like that.
Oh, thank you.
I turned because there's no doubt I've got an absolutely beautiful voice. And also, Will's looking at me like, what are you doing? I was like, yeah, what am I doing? So I love it. I really thought it was a great audition, so well done.
Thank you.
That's one of my favorite songs of all time. My mom used to play that and let me go outside and play, so that song makes me reminisce of, like, playtime.
Yeah.
Your selections at the end, like how you ended it, was, like, great taste. Like, wow, that was cool. But throughout the song, there was, like, too many runs. Because some R&B singers, they got too much noodle neck. And that's, like, what a noodle neck is, like, they're in a booth and they're like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There's a difference between, like, riffs, where they're terrific, or where you just riffing too much. But it was great, though. I'm glad you're on Paloma's team. She can help you with the noodle neck, get it stiffened up.
Yeah. I can't noodle neck, so... Well done, kids, so good. Well done.
Well done, good luck. Basically, when I don't look at you, you turn. It's really weird. Like,
No, but Will was just looking at me going, like...
And I was like, check out his riffs.
There's a lot going on.
I like the noodle neck thing.
He's got a good voice, though.